In today's competitive markets, our brand is our company, and our quality cannot be compromised. Our customers expect a product free from contaminants. That's why we use metal detectors on our production line. Given advances in technology, we believe that metal detectors aren't giving us all the protection we need.
We've used metal detectors for years, but health concerns, increasing regulations, and economics are changing the way we do business. We're gradually moving towards some of the new metallized packaging materials, and our metal detectors are not capable of keeping up with the challenges of these new products.
You have to understand our situation. There are too many non-metallic contaminants that metal detectors just can't find. Glass, bone, stone, plastic, and we're concerned about all of these. Stainless steel is one of our most common contaminants, but we must be able to detect it down to 2 millimeters or better in foil packaging, and magnetic metal detectors just can't do it.
We've considered X-ray systems, but our evaluations have shown that they're expensive and difficult to use.
X-ray would be the ideal solution for us. We know the technology has the capabilities to address our needs, but we're waiting for an easy and affordable way to implement X-ray contaminant detection. We have a dozen traditional metal detectors in this facility and literally over 100 if you count the rest of the plants in the company. As much as we'd like, we simply can't afford to replace those machines with X-ray systems at their current cost. Someone has to look at the situation from a new perspective and come up with a solution.
The solution you need is here. The Goring Kerr EasyX Contaminant Detection System utilizes X-ray technology in an innovative way to locate virtually any contaminant in packaged products. It's powerful, flexible, affordable, and easy to set up and use. We've designed it specifically for customers who are currently using metal detectors in their plants. EasyX from Thermo Electron. With $2.7 billion of annual revenue and 11,000 employees in 30 countries, Thermo Electron Corporation is the world leader in analytical instruments. Our solutions help make the world a healthier, cleaner, and safer place. We provide instruments and software for life science, drug discovery, and clinical, environmental, and industrial laboratories. We also provide analytical instruments used in a variety of manufacturing processes and field applications, including safety and homeland security.
Thermo Electron has been serving the food, beverage, and pharmaceutical industries since 1953. We've been leaders in the design and application of X-ray and metal detection to ensure food safety with thousands of systems installed worldwide. We've taken our experience in the latest X-ray technology to build a system with improved performance to provide a faster return on your investment. X-ray systems have been available for many years, but they are too expensive and complex for most users. Our customers are demanding greater detection sensitivity and all the benefits X-ray systems can provide. This includes the detection of non-metallic contaminants and the ability to work with metallized film packaging. Equally important, the market requires a system that's as easy to use as a metal detector and doesn't cost 5 to 10 times as much. The EasyX detection system you see here is completely different than any other X-ray system on the market today. Its detection technology and sophisticated software give you the power and flexibility you want without the complexity of a traditional X-ray system and at a fraction of the cost.
The system's compact size, closer to that of a typical metal detector than a traditional X-ray system, enables easy integration into existing product lines. The system is available in 6 different aperture sizes, allowing users to optimize system sensitivity for a given package size. The in-feed conveyor moves product into the aperture. A photoelectric sensor triggers inspection. If the belt ever needs replacing, the job can be quickly accomplished without the need for tools or a service technician. Surrounding the conveyor on 3 sides is the system's X-ray detector. Here's where EasyX differs radically from traditional X-ray systems. In most X-ray systems, the source is above the product and the detector is below. The X-rays are projected at a narrow angle from high above the conveyor. This means for many package types, the corners of the product are beyond the range of the detector. In EasyX, on the other hand, the X-ray source is below the conveyor and projects upward at a wide angle. The unique detector wraps around the product. There are no blind spots. This also means the source can be closer to the detector, so EasyX can achieve the same level of penetration with a lower-powered X-ray source. Lower power means lower energy consumption and minimal cooling requirements. For operator safety, the system's comprehensive X-ray shielding meets the toughest worldwide radiation emission standards. The outfeed conveyor on the smallest aperture system can be equipped with an optional internal reject mechanism. Larger aperture EasyX systems use an external reject mechanism controlled by the system's digital I/O. This easy access, watertight USB port makes it easy to input software upgrades and output data and images. System safety features include an emergency stop, X-ray energy beacon, a key switch that enables and disables X-ray generation. A user-friendly touchscreen is your window into the system. We'll come back to that in a moment. Instead of expensive air conditioning, the EasyX is cooled by a reliable, inexpensive Vortex cooler. In use, a clean, compressed air source completely cools the machine. This simplified cooling system, combined with an IP65 washdown rating, makes the system impervious to both water and extreme heat, so you can count on the EasyX for 24/7 reliability in typical packaging plant applications. Let's take a look at the powerful, flexible software. As the EasyX name suggests, it's easy to use, which means less time spent on training. The human-to-machine interface is specifically designed to simplify the transition from metal detector to EasyX. The system's state-of-the-art signal processing allows fast product throughput. Products can be scanned at up to 400 packages per minute, depending on the product size and spacing. This is a significant advantage over slower systems that can actually reduce your product throughput. Here on the run screen, an analog red light green light display indicates in real time the results of each product test. This intuitive presentation is a key factor in developing operator comfort with and acceptance of the system. Statistical displays keep track of total packages, total passes, and total fails. The Sample Package and Rejected Images button provides access to real-time and saved images for review or traceability. All buttons and menus can be password protected at several levels of security for the operator, technician, supervisor, and system administrator. A click of the Sample Image Display button brings up the live image of a product passing through the system. This is an uncontaminated sample, but you can see that the dark areas of the image show denser areas of the product. This display can be viewed at any time, and the image can be saved within the system or transferred to external systems, including any PC. Back at the run screen, you can see what happens when a contaminated product passes through the system. The fail indicator is energized, and the statistics have incremented. This product will be automatically rejected in a downstream conveyor. Here, we see a list of up to 10 of the most recent rejected product images. If we select the most recent one, we will see a picture of the product with the contaminant. In the display, a box is drawn around the contaminant and is highlighted in colors denoting which image processing filter was used for detection. Typically, at this point, an operator would stop the production line to isolate the product, identify the contaminant, and take corrective action. The contaminant could be a random event, or it could indicate a more serious problem on the line. In the latter event, the entire production lot would be quarantined, and at a later time, the questionable packages could be individually screened through the EasyX to assure product quality. Setup for a new product is as easy as running the system. Simply enter the main product screen and touch the New Product button to start. The first thing you must do is tell EasyX how long the package is and what speed your line is running at. This way, an image of the entire package will be captured and the conveyor speed will automatically be set. A minimum gap between packages can also be set, and the product can be given a unique name too. On the reject setup screen, we will tell the system how far the reject device is from the X-ray sensors. This sets the timing so the reject device can effectively push a contaminated package off the line. Back at the main product editing screen, we can automatically set up the package inspection parameters using Quick Learn. Quick Learn is a wizard with the most common X-ray settings and image processing functions already selected. Using Quick Learn, we present several good sample packages to the system, and then complete the setup by presenting contaminated test sample packages through the machine. The entire process takes just minutes. Of course, we can still go back and manually set these parameters to adjust sensitivity and achieve the lowest false reject rate. After selecting Quick Learn, we automatically set the image filter thresholds by presenting EasyX with 10 or more good packages. We do that by pushing the set threshold, after which the system runs a calibration step and begins the X-ray scanning. As the system scans sample packages, it automatically sets accept and reject thresholds based on the range of images it sees. After setup, we can test the chosen limits by inspecting good and contaminated test sample product packages. Here, in a good package, we see no contaminants highlighted. In the case of a package containing some foreign object, the image highlights whatever EasyX has found. At this point, our setup looks good. So, let's push Accept and proceed to the main screen. Additional functions and features are available on a need-to-access basis according to the user's security level. A supervisor, for example, can set up passwords, I/O configurations, image and statistic viewing, and test functions. The system stores up to 1 month of statistics for traceability and compliance to GMPs. We recommend that stored images be periodically downloaded for permanent storage via the USB interface.
In summary, Thermo has taken state-of-the-art contaminant detection to a new level with a product that's simple to use, flexible, and affordable. EasyX provides the sophistication and power of an X-ray system with none of the complexity and headaches. Are you ready to step up from simple metal detection to a better solution? We invite you to give EasyX a try. Simply send us a sample of your product and information on what contaminants concern you most. Our application specialist will provide a test report to show you what EasyX can do for you.
Thermo has global sales and service capabilities. These include product inspection facilities in the US and Europe, at which you can have potentially contaminated product professionally inspected.